What role Waqf-e-Nau can play to help in improving the conditions of Ahmadiyas living in oppressive countries such as Pakistan?
So see, you can only pray for these people. Pray for Muslim Ummah that they take sense and try to accept the reformer of the age, the person who was sent by Allah Ta'ala to revive the teachings of Islam and guide them on the right path. So this is the only thing. Otherwise, these countries where there is too much opposition, you cannot do anything until and unless you have some power. And at present we don't have that power. This is why the Hadith says, if you have power, you stop brutality, cruelty with your hand. If not that much power, then at least stop by saying to the people and ask them to take sense. Right? And if that is not possible, then pray for them. This is what the Hadith says of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So we can only pray for them. Okay? That is the only solution. If you are praying fervently for them, then inshallah one day you will see the result. I hope inshallah we shall change the world. Inshallah. And this is why Hazrat Muslim Islam has said that Allah Ta'ala has told me that He will make the change in the world through prayers. So this is the only weapon in our hand which we should use properly. And also reflect on this and see how far you are trying to close yourself to Allah Ta'ala. How far you are absorbed in offering your prayers. While praying, you are fervently praying to Allah Ta'ala. So Allah Ta'ala listens to your prayers. Right? So now we should also first see and check our own inside. What we have, what we are saying is the same. What we want, what we preach, what we desire. If our own practices are not the same, then our prayers cannot be accepted as we desire. So reflect upon this. Right?